I am Dr. A. Vadud, Professor and Chairman, Department of Agricultural Physics and Meteorology, Birsa Agricultural University, Ranchi, Jharkhand. We are having very ambitious project here, that is a SAFAL, Sustainable Agriculture and Farmers' Livelihood. This project was sub-awarded by CIPT as it is sponsored by USAID. Under this project, what we did, we selected some 15 villages in Angara block of Ranchi district involving more than 1,000 farmers, and we introduced few interventions, that is introduction of high-yielding rice and vegetable varieties, then rainwater harvesting through small water harvesting structures locally known as dovas, then giving regularly weather-based agromet advisories to the farmers, then developing the farmers' skill or human resource development through imparting trainings and giving exposure visits. And all these interventions not only were given to the farmers, we had very intensive follow-up programs every week, almost twice a week, sometimes thrice and more than thrice a week. We visited the farmers and we gave all technical suggestions, advices to the farmers. And ultimately what happened, all these interventions brought about very good and encouraging impacts. Last year when most of the crops, kharif crops in Jharkhand succumbed to severe drought, rice crop grown around the dovas were not at all affected by the drought because supplemental irrigation was being given from the water of dovas, and ultimately farmers could harvest bumper crop of rice, and the yield was 3 to 4 times and even more than the traditional varieties and traditional way of cultivation. Not only that, after the end of kharif season, after the harvest of rice, dovas were still having good amount of water, and by using this water farmers could grow very successfully vegetable crops, and we were overwhelmed to see that most of the vegetable growers using the dovas could earn about 1,000 to 1,200 rupees per week. Per week means altogether in 4 months 16 to 20,000 additional income which they never had in the past. So the farmers, by having increased yield of rice and for the first time additional income, they were overwhelmed and they are very happy. We, the scientists, are also very encouraged, and we see that these interventions under the SAFAL project are bringing good impact towards the ensuring of livelihood security of the farmers, and also by enhancing their standard of life. So we are very hopeful that in coming years we will be having even better results, and which will be replicated in other areas as well. Actually, the CIPT people, they were very, very keen to bring about some visual impacts, and they visited the areas with us almost every month, at least once in a fortnight they came here and we visited the area, and we gave all kinds of support to the farmers, and farmers are very, very happy.